Problem 1-123. Graph each equation below and find the x and y-intercepts. Starting out here, letter A, y equals negative 3/2 x plus 8. This one's easy to graph. It's already in slope-intercept form. Remember, this is our y-intercept. So our slope, our y-intercept, that's what you need to know a lot of times. We've got 0, 8. The slope right now, negative 3/2. I'm going to plot my y-intercept first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then let's go our slope. We're going down 3, right 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Yay. All right, so let's see here. Let's get out our line tool here. Let's put our line through our points. Goes there, goes there. Okay, our x-intercept's kind of hard to tell. It's not directly right in there, right? So we already know the y-intercept. The y-intercept was 0, 8. The x-intercept comes from when our y value ends up being 0. So we can take it and just plug it in there if we want. We could say x-intercept, put in 0. We have 0 equals negative 3/2 x plus 8. I'm going to add 3/2 x to each side. So I have 3/2 x equals 8. Go ahead there, multiply each side by 2. You've got 3x equals 16. Divided by 3. And you get x is equal to 5 1/3. That's what 16/3 equals. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it looks like it's just passed there. Awesome. So we've got 5 1/3 as our x-intercept. The second one here, a couple ways you could look to graph this one. You could take it and put it into slope-intercept form. If you do, you just got to isolate the y, which means you got to subtract 2x. And I'll do that over here in case anybody's looking to do that method. So 2x minus 3y equals negative 6. Subtract the 2x from each side. Make sure you do not forget to bring down the negative with a 3. This is negative 3y equals negative 2x minus 6. And then you got to divide by a negative 3 all the way through your equation. So we end up with y equals 2/3 x plus 6 divided by 3 is going to be 2. So you have 2/3 x plus 2. Now another way you can do it here is if you want to find the x and y-intercepts, just use the standard form. The x-intercept, remember, comes from when you have a 0 in for your y. So if we take it there and we plug in 0 for y, we would have 2x minus 3 times 0 equals negative 6, which ends up being 2x equals negative 6. And we divide each side by 2, we get x equals negative 3. So the x-intercept is negative 3, 0. The y-intercept, we already know is 2 from doing it this way up here, but it works the same way. Y-intercept, we know our x is going to be 0 this time, and we're just trying to find the y. So we're going to do 2 times 0 minus 3y equals negative 6. So this is 0, so negative 3y equals negative 6. We divide each side by negative 3, and we should get y equals 2, which it already does up here. We're good to go with that. Now I'm just going to take those and plot those on the graph. I'll change the color so you can actually see it. We've got the point 0, 2, and we've got the point -3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we know it's going to go right through those points. So let's just go ahead here so it looks neater. Put our arrows on the end there. And remember, our X and Y-intercepts, that was this here. We're looking for this here, right here, and right there. If you have any questions, please make sure you ask your teacher or get help from somebody before you have to take your test. Hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching.